Hello MTV and welcome to my crib. Come in, come in. So here we have our hotel room. I just tripped over a shoe. Come in, here's the bed, here's the mirror, and the desk. It's very messy. I did not clean it for this video. But right inside. Wow, beautiful. There's nothing to hold the curtains back. But this is our view of the other building. It's very small in here, but it was extremely cheap. So here's our little bathroom. It feels a little bit like an airplane, but it's very, very cute. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys our room, you know, where we're staying. This is me and Rachel's room. Rachel's behind the camera. Thank you very much. And now we're gonna get some breakfast. Let's go. It looks so good. I just want to eat one. Can I just like... It tastes so good. Okay, wait, what do I do? Help, Rachel. Oh my god. This is it. Alright, let's go upstairs and have actual breakfast. Why is it so close to my face? Hi. Okay, so now we're back in the hotel with my matcha latte and my breakfast of choice, which is, I don't actually know what this is, it just kind of looked good. Tortilla. So first day, literally first day I get to Japan and I get my period. So here's my iron supplements. There we go. Replenish my blood. Hogwarts in the distance. We're gonna go that way. Fade away, but till you ever wake up feeling like you're living day to day. We should buy some gold handcuffs and throw away the K and mark yourself back into cages in the prison of belief. Cause baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Stupidest thing to ever exist. I got the butterbeer this time in like the actual cup. Here we go, we're gonna try this. I had the hot one last time and it wasn't good. Oh, this one's so much better. Okay, I recommend definitely getting the cold one. The hot one was so bad, but this is so good. It's like, I remember when I was little and my mom would be like, oh, you want to drink Coke? Sure. And then she boiled it and it tastes like that. But this is actually good. Highly recommend. Oh, we're taking photos.
Try this. There it is. The perfect fit.
We got Hello Kitty strawberry churros. Yum. Oh my god, it's so good. Also way too expensive because Hello Kitty was on it, but it's so good. Look at this demonic face.
You're pretty good, aren't you?
Noodle factory, and this is so cool. Look behind me, there's like all of these cup noodles. My parents keep expecting me to be able to speak fluent Japanese because I've been studying it in uni for like a year, and I'm like, I have no idea what's going on at all of the time. So that's been great. Okay, so we're like sitting down right now and we get to draw in these with like these pens. Okay, I'm done. Here, so I've got rainbow on the front, and then on the back I didn't know what to draw, so I literally just drew Kermit drinking the cup noodle. I don't know, but this is my contribution to society today. I just made ramen, yeah. I created ramen myself. We're at Pokemon Cafe right now. This place is so cool. And this is my drink. Oh my god, Pikachu's dead. You're killing Pikachu. What's that one called? I don't know that one. Also, this drink is really cute, and like the light in the middle is like, yeah, like it's cool and all. But also, it's a scam because look at this shit. Look at this light. Look at how big this is. Look at how much space it's taking up. Okay, update. Now there's a fruit sandwich. And this looks so good. That is so crooked, but this is the quality content that you came here for. We're eating this cheesecake out of, I just dropped a beat. I have literally turned into a food review channel. I don't know how, but this cake is like soft, almost like it's undercooked, but it's not. It's kind of like when an egg is undercooked. Yes. It's like the perfect amount of undercookedness that it's not undercooked, but it's so good. And yeah, I just thought I'll tell you guys how much I appreciate this cheesecake. Okay, we got to the pancake place and there was literally no line. Like if you look outside there in the staircase, people were literally lined up all the way up the staircases and like out to the outside yesterday, and it was crazy, but we literally just walked past and there was like no one here, so this is great. Everything looks so good. You can literally watch them make the pancakes, so oh. Thank you. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my god, I'm so hyped for this. So we're in the cat cafe right now. Look how cute they are. Oh my god. Okay, now we're at the Shiba Cafe and look at this one. So cute. Just eats everybody's head. Bro. I got like the nutty, what is this? Nutty white chocolate frappuccino thing, and there's little pieces of like crunchy things in there. It's really good. But also the capsule thing that I just got, it's so cute. It's like a mini ice cream machine. I press it and then it comes down and then I go, oh, I've always wanted to do that. Okay, so today is like officially the last day and we're leaving in a few hours. So we did get Mr. Donut yesterday, which is amazing. This is my favorite donut from there. And it's really, really good. Anyway, I thought that on the last day, I am going to eat my cup noodles to kind of celebrate my very last day in Japan this year. And also because I didn't know how to put this in my luggage without like absolutely crushing it. Okay, if I spill this, it's like boiling water. I'm fucked. Okay, is it gonna get hot? This is definitely a bad idea. Okay, while this rests over here, we're gonna finish the donut. Okay, here's my personalized cup noodles. I feel like I'm doing an advertisement. I'm really not. It's really good. I got this like tomato flavored. Anyway, this concludes our Japan trip, as sad as I am to say that. I hope you guys had a good time, almost as much as I did, because this trip has been amazing. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!